next award this evening, which is for Center of Excellence in Women's Health and Childcare. And the award this evening goes to SRM Prime Hospital. Let's give it up for the team, please, as we welcome Dr. Nandini Illumalai, Senior Consultant Obstetrics and Gynecology, Dr. Keerthana Rajasekharan, Consultant Obstetrics and Gynecology, Dr. Harish K, Consultant Pediatrics and Neonatology, to kindly join us on scale. SRM Prime Hospital is a quaternary care hospital with a Center of Excellence in Women's Health and Childcare, delivering comprehensive, compassionate and technology-driven services.
Hello ma'am.
Hi.
Many congratulations on your recognition.
Thank you.
We have a few questions for you. The first one is, how do you feel receiving this recognition from Outlook Business Spotlight, and what does this award mean to you?
I'm indeed honored to receive this award from Outlook Spotlight. For us, according to Women Health and Childcare, it is always a safe outcome, happy mother and the happy family. And this award, we see it as an extension of the happiness that we receive from the family. And we're indeed very happy that we've been bestowed with this award for our care here.
Moving ahead, ma'am, the next question is, how does your organization balance affordability with advanced medical infrastructure and treatment options?
The aim of our organization is to give affordable and feasible medical care to all. As we all know, women delivery and women health is the epic or the epitome of a family. So it is already a stressful part, because childbirth is always a stressful or a happy beginning with or associated with a lot of stress. So we do not want to give them more stress from the financial aspect as well. So our hospital would like or cater service for all category with an affordable healthcare, but we do not compromise on our services, and we do give excellence in services as well.
The last question is, what message would you like to share with patients and healthcare professionals across the country?
To the patients, thank you for trusting us. Thank you for reaching out to SRM Prime Hospital and reaching out to us for your care. And we are always centered at giving ethical and evidence-based care to all patients. And to the healthcare here, always ethical and evidence-based care with a lot of empathy is what the society needs right now. So to all the healthcare professionals, we will still keep delivering this compassionate care to all the patients.
Nice to hear, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hello, ma'am. Thanks for joining us, and many congratulations on your recognition. I would like to have few questions for you. The first question is, how do you feel receiving this recognition from Outlook Business, and what does this award mean to you?
It's an honor for us to receive the South Achievers Look Award from SRM Prime Hospital for the women's health care. So we at our hospital, we aim at committed care for the women's health with a modern technology where they feel very comfortable.
Moving ahead, the next question is, what key innovations or practices set your healthcare institution apart from others in the industry?
Okay, we are truly committed to give a comprehensive care for the women's care, from preterm care, high-risk pregnancy, still minimally invasive gynecological procedures. And we are also committed to use the modern technologies where the surgery pain is very less for them. The fear of hospital goes out. That's the basic aim for this.
Nice to hear, ma'am. Thanks for speaking with us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.